morning, everyone. Welcome to the next vlog number 4. All set, all geared up. Now we're just going to start the bike. I'm already in the parking. तो bike को cold start करते हैं and meanwhile I'll set up my luggage and let me show you all of that. See you on the bike.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high, higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high.
15 minutes later.
At the flag off location and finally after a very long time we have gotten a lot of bikes riding with the motorheads and let me show you the convoy first. As always, it's mostly cruisers. It's all cruisers and then one sports bike in between.
Hi, my darlings. Please do like, share, and subscribe both the channels. Hi, good morning.
Finally, after so long, we have so many riders.
Yes. ये हैजार्ड लाइट कहाँ है?
उसमें चाहिए नहीं होती,
ये डिस्कशन नहीं था।
उसमें चाहिए नहीं होती, हम दिखते नहीं है. This is fancy. ये तो मैंने अभी देखी. Rev it a little.
Good morning. Yeah, good morning. So, good morning राइडर्स. आज हम लोग चल रहे हैं आमा कैफे. तो हमारी जो राइड है वो वाया महिपालपुर होते हुए और द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे से कनेक्ट करते हुए और हम सीधा मुकरबा चौक की तरफ निकलेंगे और वहाँ से हम आमा कैफे पहुँचेंगे. तकरीबन 40-45 किलोमीटर की राइड है हमारी. हमें फोग मिल सकती है द्वारका एक्सप्रेस की तरफ जाएंगे तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. सारे लोग प्लीज़ अपने हैज़ार्ड लाइट ऑन करके चलेंगे. सिंगल फाइल में चलेंगे. कोई भी अपने कॉन्वॉय से बाहर ना जाए. 1 या 2 हमारे साथ मार्शल चलेंगे जिसमें मार्शलिंग में चावला जी और उदय मेरे साथ रहेंगे. मैं लीड कर रहा हूँ, रूफस भाई टेल कर रहे हैं और हम दोनों स्विच करते हैं. ठीक है. कॉन्वॉय को देखने के लिए, कॉन्वॉय को लाइन अप करने के लिए हम दोनों स्विच करते हैं और हम दोनों कनेक्टेड है फ़ोन पर, इंटरकॉम पर. तो और जो राइडर्स पहली बार ग्रुप के साथ राइड कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भैया वेलकम है. वेलकम टू द ग्रुप.
So let's go. Like I mentioned before, we are having a lot of bikers today. Finally, after very long, almost 20 bikes that we have today, and then that's what we are going to enjoy with. Let's go. The sun is finally out, so it's still now a little bright outside, so that's a good sign. But if you notice that looks so good. Everybody has their hazard lights on, and I just don't have it. So that's a thing, I guess. Already hitting the first red light. Will we stop? Oh yes, we will. I think we're supposed to go right from here. Oh, we're taking a U-turn. Okay. Like I mentioned, this is the flag of location today is between Chhatarpur and Sultanpur. A very lovely barista location. So if you're ever here, just make sure to come. बहुत ही बढ़िया जगह है. संडे को आओ तो बाइकर्स भी बहुत मिलेंगे. So that's a good thing if you're into that, of course. Yes, that means कि अगर हमें लेफ्ट जाना है, and signal travels from the first person till the last person, so everybody has to ensure their signaling. That's just a good sign of how this thing works. People are braking too hard. Also, finally, हमारे इस ग्रुप में कुछ स्पोर्ट्स बाइक्स आ गए हैं, so that's a good sign. That's Mr. Chawla. He's the marshal for today, just making sure everybody stays in line. Oh, he has brought his Meteor this time, Super Meteor. He usually brings out his Versus. That's him marshalling, asking people to get out of the way. Oh, JNU, we are very close. That reminds me, मैं जब अपने कॉलेज में था, मेरा कॉलेज भी यहीं पास में है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जब मेस का खाना ख़राब होता था, तो कभी कभार बिकॉज JNU वॉज क्लोज टू अस, तो वी वुड प्लान फॉर डिनर हियर, इंटरेस्टिंगली, क्योंकि हमारे सीनियर्स ने बताया था. एंड इफ़ यू गो इनसाइड एवरीबडी कैन एंटर द कैंपस. इट्स अ ह्यूज कैंपस. तो अंदर देर आर सेवरल रेस्टोरेंट्स वेर यू कैन गेट सम रियली गुड फूड. Abhi, I can't remember which exact place was it, but yeah, some amazing chicken, obviously with roti. So you just go there for chicken and roti. That's the like the best thing that they have. Obviously, बाकी चीज़ें भी हैं उनके पास, but their North Indian food mix is very good. So if you ever get a chance, make sure आप JNU जाके एक बार खाना खाओ. And enjoy the campus vibes, I guess, because it's a beautiful campus, especially in winters if you go. That's a really cool fit, no? His gear matches the bike perfectly. Green and black, all around. Entering the Dwarka Expressway. And the roaring sound. was fun, no? And now we'll wait for others to come. That was a cop car. And I don't think we are supposed to be on this expressway, but he did ask him to just get off. That was interesting. Okay, we have reached our breakfast spot. We are at the famous Ama Cafe and everybody has placed their orders already. Let me show you around the place and then when the food comes, then I'll show you the food as well. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Introduce yourself. Gaurav. Shiv. Sandy bro. And? Vivan. Welcome to the ride. Did you enjoy? मजा आया? Fog में मजा आया? डर लग रहा था? Sandy पे चला रहे थे तो मजा ही आया होगा. This is Mr. Please introduce yourself.
हाय ये हार्दिक भाई कहाँ चले गए उन्हें ढूंढ के लाओ।
हार्दिक भैया आप सब आपको मिस कर रहे
हार्दिक भाई के ढूंढ के लाओ कहाँ चले गए खो तो नहीं गए ले जाओ
आ रहे ऑन हिज वे सर प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ नागराज सर प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ वन एंड ओनली मिस्टर चावला हाउ डू यू Xavier yes the leader for today फॉग चैंपियन अलग अलग टाइटल मिलते रहेंगे आज आपको दिस इज तरुण भैया एंड सर मीट द लीडर हाउ वाज द राइड टुडे
Epic. Mind blowing.
Yes.
Mind blowing. The fog was icing on the cake.
माइंड इज ब्लोइंग हो गया रे बाबा
Mind is blowing. ये वाला correction कर
माइंड इज ब्लोइंग
माइंड इज ब्लोइंग
Blowing in the wind हो गया. Blowing in the fog हो गया.
नोटेड गाइस इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ तुम रहने दो लकी भाई अभिषेक नंदिनी एंड ये मेरा क्वांटी ब्रो है मीट गौरव भैया अनदर व्लॉग
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया एकदम
तो गाइस बाइक लाइफ गौरव सब्सक्राइब कर दो शेयर भी कर दो लाइक कर दो कमेंट भी करना कि भाई की वीडियो से आए हो
सारे गौरव भैया का चैनल ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर रखे हैं मैं शेयर करता रहता हूँ अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे गौरव भैया और तरुण भैया साथ में गौरव भैया आपका इस बार मैंने देखा अमृतसर वाला राइड था हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस
मजा आ गया
मजेदार?
मजेदार अमृतसर के लोग इतने प्यारे हैं इतना प्यार देते हैं और अगर आप अमृतसर नहीं गए तो जरूर जाओ
Last Sunday and success. So please put your hands together and clap for yourself.
Finally done with the breakfast. Everything is supposed to be aesthetic. Unlike you.
Seriously.
Unlike
वो टॉय वाला वो टॉयज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड लेट्स जस्ट कीप इट हिडन
टॉय ना दिखता भी नहीं है अगर चलता है तो. Yes, I do. पीछे देखो. You are blocking people's paths.
पीछे तो देखो चलो गाइस चलो
Chalo, Vipul sir. Bye bye. See you next time. See you next time with the Busa. Hopefully. Bye bye. See you next time, Nitish. अरे ब्लॉग में थोड़ी बोलना होता है. बाद में बोलो. Bye bye. See you next time. Lovely meeting you. Bye bye. Lovely seeing you. Bye bye. Chalo. See you. Bye bye. Chal bro. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye भैया. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye bye. Bye Gaurav bhaiya. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye Uday sir. See you next time. Bye bye.
डार्लिंग
Bye bye. Bye bye.
एंजॉय
Bye bye sir. See you next time. Bye bye.
राम जी
See you next time. आरडी के साथ.
भाई
आएगा आएगा पक्का.
जल्दी आना
आएगा. करण अर्जुन के साथ आरडी भी आएगा. Kaushik bhaiya. See you next time. Bye bye. Chalo. See you. Bears. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time.
This was the last breakfast ride of 2025. And
life, everybody's life was saved by fog specialist driver.
Focking as they call him.
Focking.
Focking. He's called Focking. So guys, see you on the bike now. Before that, let's just say goodbye to this mystery man. Dun-dun-dun.
Yo bye bye
You don't have anything else to say?
I have a lot of things to say and that's about that bike
Nothing, something new.
I will be waiting for you 26
See you.
मिलते हैं बाद में अग्रिम फिर लास्ट में
Sandy bro, next time bike exchange. Done, done. Also, a lot of feedback on my last vlog made me realize that I'm being too niche or my content is getting boring. So, I don't know, maybe including more people makes it fun. I've tried to do that this time. Do let me know if you feel like this one was better than the last one, and I'll keep that in mind that it's not boring. Oh yes, I was thinking, how did your Christmas go, guys? What did you all do? Do let me know. And what are the plans for New Year's? I believe this vlog would be out after New Year's Day and Eve. So what did you do for New Year's? Do let me know. And if we partied together, also please make sure to comment about it and let me know that you watched the vlog. Just a comment from any one of you would be really nice. Oh yes, I don't know if I've got it much on video. I don't think I have. But they had Ama Cafe had matcha pancakes on their menu. It was like a special menu, probably just for the winters. And I made people try matcha pancakes. Some of them pretended it was good, but the reactions were as expected. कि जब आप पहली बार किसी को matcha खिलाओ तो वो आपको गाली देगा अंदर से. I'm pretty sure, especially if someone is not prepared on what's to come. So yes, that happened. since the vlog will be out next year. I hope you and your family and your friends, everybody has a really good year ahead, with all the blessings in 2026. जो भी आप चाहो, whatever you wish for, whatever you aspire for, may you get that. And all I wish for is for everyone to be just happy and enjoy their life in the best way possible. And of course, support your brother, bhai. Like, share, subscribe. Maybe in 2026 we make it big. Maybe. One last thing before I end the vlog is, I'm so happy, bhai, ke obviously I made the purchase, I already mentioned that, but I got to join a group that I really like, the riding group, and I enjoy with the people. Of course, there are the moments where I'm not really able to connect, but I'm still very new. मैंने गिन के शायद 10 राइड भी नहीं करी अभी इन लोगों के साथ. So as I continue to ride with them, I'll obviously gel in more, but it's always a good time, always a fun time with them. And everybody is, you know, getting into relationships, getting married, starting families, and I feel it's the right time for me as well. Not like jumping into it, but yes, slowly stepping into the idea. At least the mindset is there now. So hopefully better things to, you know, happen in 2026 related to this as well. Of course, with no compromise on professional opportunities and finding a balance, which is what life is all about. I believe with that, I'm just going to put an end to this vlog. So if you have made it up till here, all my love to you guys. Thank you so much for all the support and everything that you do, and thank you for continuing to watch. As always, feedback is appreciated in good or bad form. I'll only be able to improve with your feedback. Just comment, I would love to read it, and you know, try to improve my content so that it keeps you engaged more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure everybody in your circle gets to watch your friend, and maybe someday we'll ride together. Thank you for tuning in. This is me, Agrim, signing off for 2025. See you next year. Bye bye.